Good afternoon. Now I would like to have a demo for how we want to log in Tivolli website to purchase a cabinet. So we may go to www.tivollidesign.com or www.tivollidesign.com.my. So here is the home page. You need to go to login. You need to register under your email, your own password and your phone number. Then you can go to login. Okay, your email address and your password. Okay, for this home page, of course you can go and have a look for the design, the idea, or the most popular package in the market. But right now we will go to how to purchase a cabinet. So we will click here, purchase now, and then you can click either one of the package, like example package B. Click. You can slow down to have a look their details. Get this package. Okay, you need to click your estimate installation date and the installation address. Of course, you need to pay a booking. You can go for online or you can go manually banking. I will show one example for manually banking. After you bank in already, the pay slip you go to upload, then proceed. You will go to this page. What you want to do is double check your installation address and your installation date, and then you might select a site visit date, like example on Friday 3 p.m. Save. Then you may need to wait for the confirmation. Site visit date already confirmed. We wait for the day to come. After the site visit date, you might receive a quotation and drawing in within 3 days. Check for the quotation and drawing. If let's say no problem, we might go for the 50% payment for fabrication. So you might upload your payslip or you may use your credit card to proceed the payment. After payment received, customer will receive an estimate installation date. Here is the estimate installation date, 26th of March. Before 7 days of the installation date, will remind you for the payment, last payment. Once the installation already done, normally customer will go for feedback. Click submit. Feedback submit. Then we will have a complete click here. That is the simple process for all the flow of our cabinet. If let's say in future, if anything customer service that you need, you might go into our website also. You may click for the form, which we so call the defect form. So you can leave a comment. When you send the message, office will receive the message and office will have a call for you to help you to solve or give solution for the issue. Thank you.